Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A. A for apple. A for alligator. B. B for banana. B for bear. C. C for cherry. C for cow. D. D for dragon fruit. D for deer. E. E for elderberry. E for elephant. F. F for fig. F for fox. G. G for guava. G for giraffe. H. H for hazelnut. H for horse. I. I for ikako. I for iguana. J. J for jackfruit. J for jackal. K. K for kiwi. K for kangaroo. L. L for lychee. L for lion. M. M for mango. M for monkey. N. N for neem. N for newt. O. O for orange. O for ox. P. P for pineapple. P for penguin. Q. Q for quince. Q for quail. R. R for raspberry. R for rhinoceros. S. S for strawberry. S for snake. for tamarind. T for tiger. U. U for ugly fruit. U for unicorn. V. V for velvet apple. V for vulture. W. W for watermelon. W for wolf. X. X for Zenania. X for Xerus. Y. Y for yuzu. Y for yak. Z. Z for Zinfandel grapes. Z for zebra. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.